Hello everyone. This question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of perimeter and area. This is second question of its exercise 11.1. So the question says that find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. So हमें perimeter given है. Perimeter of a square. इसका फॉर्मूला होता है हमारे पास 4 into side. So ये हमें given है perimeter of square. इसे हम P से डिनोट करेंगे. हमें given है 320 meter. So 320 is equal to 4 into side. So side is equal to 320 by 4 is equal to side. So side is equal to 4 से cancel out हो जाएगा 80 टाइम. So 80 meter. Then हम find out करना है area. So area of a square is equal to side square. Side हमने find out कर ली है 80. So 80 square. So हो जाएगा 6400 meter square. So square whose perimeter is 320 meter, its area is 6400 meter square. Thank you.